music mean? Let's check it out. The sound of music. Moo, moo, moo. Connor Howe loves to sing. He sang all day long. In fact, the only time that he wasn't singing was when he was fast asleep. Moo, moo, moo. One day Connor grew tired of singing on his own. I'm going to sing for my friends, said Connor happily. Do you sing all day? I wonder if you do. Not far away, Connor spotted Olivia. I will hurry to her, pick up her in the woods. I'll sing for Olivia, thought Connor excitedly. Moo, 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 sang Connor at the top of his voice. Moo, moo, moo. Stop it, yelled Olivia. I'll be out all night and I want to go to sleep. Go and sing somewhere else, please. Moo, said Connor. Moo, moo, moo. Walking through the woods, Connor came to a small clearing. This looks like a theater. He chuckled. I'll put on a special show for the Nora, dear. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, 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 sang Connor louder than ever before. But Dora didn't stay to listen. The noise was so loud it scared her away. Moo, said Connor. Do you scare your friends and sing to them? Exactly. Nightingale was resting in a tree at the edge of the woods. Moo, 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 began Connor, but Nightingale held her wings to her ears. Moo, moo, moo. Please don't sing for me, she said. Chirp, chirp, sheep. Let me sing for you. Birds have a much sweeter voice. Listen, the Nightingale sighed Connor. Sadly, Connor was just about to go home when he heard a competition coming from just ahead. Connor followed the noise and he amazed to discover a field that was filled with cows just like him. Best of all, the cows were all singing. Moo, 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 moo. Come and make music with us, said the cows. When they spied Connor, we love singing. Connor had never been so happy. Now I'm part of a tour, he chuckled. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. And that's the end of the story. Bye.